Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Higgsfield AI for real estate videos. Alright, so let's begin. We'll cover how to generate property images, create real estate videos, and use your own property photos to produce professional marketing content. To get started, open your web browser and visit the Higgsfield AI website. Sign up for a new account or log in using your Google account if you already have one. After signing in, click the image option at the top to begin creating your image. Higgsfield AI can generate realistic visuals for real estate marketing. If you want to create property images, enter a detailed prompt describing the type of property you want. For example, you can describe a modern luxury villa with a swimming pool, landscaped garden, bright daylight, and a professional real estate photography style. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated results are likely to be. If you're creating a promotional property video, click on video at the top and write a prompt that clearly describes the type of camera movement and scene you want. For example, you can request a smooth drone flyover around a luxury apartment building, a cinematic exterior shot during the daytime, or a virtual walkthrough that moves naturally from the living room into the kitchen and other areas of the property. You can also upload your own property photos instead of generating new images. After uploading them, use the image to video feature to transform your static images into smooth cinematic tours or walking style videos, making them more engaging for potential buyers. Once your images or videos have been generated, download them in high quality. You can then use this content for real estate listings, social media platforms such as Instagram and YouTube, or client presentations to showcase properties in a more professional way. And that's it. This is how you can use Higgsfield AI for real estate videos. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.